Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's been years since I posted, but I am ready to get back into the cleaning, decluttering, organizing. My house is a total disaster. I am not going to be doing a voiceover. I don't look cute. I just literally rolled out of bed, so my clothes are wrinkled. But I'm getting this house in order, and I'm going to pump up the music, and here we go.
Talk so mean. Good Lord, man, shit, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes and midnight shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Getting late. Come on now, mama,
I feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I'll sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams, like a pillow on my face.
Whew. Okay, it took an hour to do kitchen and living room. I did sweep the hallway that you guys didn't see. Now moving right along.
And though I wonder where I'd be if no one had helped or remembered me, I know my own will has got me through. I know why I should try.
Okay, so I have everything done except the game room. I'm saving the messiest for last, having a little snack of grapes, and then I'm gonna get into it. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad.
Feel so high. There's a comfort to be found when you find out there's no one else around to set your mind off track and lead you on. And though I wonder what I'd do if you hadn't told me to see it through, I know I could make it without you. I know I should try to find out why I feel so high. Coming up again to get a breath of air. In the water everything is fine. Now we'll stay in here until the day is through. For a while I'd like to feel the buzzing in my head. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so
There we go. My whole upstairs is clean. My den downstairs is clean. My laundry room is still a disaster, and I didn't get around to painting the entryway. It is just 5:30, so it took me 4 hours to get everything in order and cleaned up. But I'm done. I'm done for the day. Tomorrow's another day. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon because I am going to be uploading more. Also, follow me on TikTok. I share a lot of my personal life on TikTok and my weight loss journey if you're interested in that. And have a great day.